Looking for a crossover car to discover the joy of life? Discover Glory. Equipped with an AI virtual assistant feature that offers more than 100 voice commands and 28 distinct ones, the Glory makes a mark wherever it goes. Power-packed 1.5-liter turbo engine and Triptonic mode, which lets you shift between automatic and manual transmission. A bold exterior defining Glory's sporty look with a swift connectivity and high-tech features. Modern LED parking lights, fog lamps, and headlights, including a bold infinite starlight grille, DVR camera to record your commute for safety. Glory welcomes you with an elegant and homely interior, furnished with the finest leather and prime-grade materials. A 9-inch infotainment display delivers a large and enhanced interface for all your entertainment, powered by multimedia console controller. You can also enjoy effortless phone connectivity with your vehicle. USB and auxiliary under the center armrest for easier connectivity and convenience. A 7-seater car with seats specially designed to accommodate better legroom and comfort. Set your own temperature preferences with an advanced automatic climate control system. Glory makes every journey comfortable, effortless, and memorable. Go everywhere you need to with comfort and safety, with 4 airbags placed in the steering wheel, dashboard, and lower mount for knee protection. A multi-speaker rich audio system will provide a delightful sound experience. The new generation 6-speed CVT gearbox, which improves the power output and efficiency. The Glory has been designed to maneuver around complex road conditions with its traction control feature, which gives it the power to take sharp turns with stability. Keep an eye on tire pressure when on the go with Glory's smart tire sensors. Park trouble-free with electronic parking sensors and a dynamic 360 degrees parking cameras. The Glory is the epitome of connivance with digital and analog speedometers, cruise control, and a built-in navigation system. The automatic power trunk, which opens with buttons both in and outside the car, provides the Glory users convenient access to the trunk. 18-inch alloy rims with red calipers, empowering you to reach new heights with a strong grip. By pressing a button or commanding iTalk, you can get the panoramic sunroof to open and close while enjoying the weather from both the front and back seat. Everlasting performance that speaks for itself. All these functions make Glory technologically advanced and well equipped with dynamic features. It's like having a virtual assistant on the go. Hi Glory.